I have a big box and I am excited. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a doll to unbox today, as you saw in the title. And I am excited. I got to tell you what happened. Darren had a business trip to Florida, and he had asked me to go along, and I hem-hawed and hem-hawed. I had a very tight schedule for YouTube. I had a lot of collabs, and St. Patrick's Day was right there with Easter. So I hem-hawed around. He's like, "You want to fly?" And I'm like, "Oh, I don't want to go, but I want to go." So anyway, we finally went. And we're driving down. Yes, we drove. And he said, "Well, I'm going to get you a smart doll for going with me." And I'm like, "Really?" And he's like, "Yeah. It's a shame you hem-hawed around so much, or I would have gotten you Kenner Blythe." I am thrilled. Just thrilled. Oh, wow. Are there 2 bags here? Sure enough. Look at that. I got 2 bags, which is really cool because I did not get one with Genia. That's her new name. Like Genius, only Genia. Well, thank you very much for that. And her sponge is original, and her stand is here. I'm going to put that to the side and put this back in the box for right now, because I will save that box. And let's pull out my new smart doll. This doll was on eBay. I don't know how long. She was there when I got there looking at smart dolls, of which I did not know I was going to like so well. And she was quite a bit higher than I wanted to spend. And so I just kept looking at her, but did not produce an offer. It did say make an offer. She was on my watch list, and I got a note from the seller marking the price down, and I happened to be sitting by my computer. Oh my God, she's gorgeous. Look at this nice quilt the lady sent, or the seller sent. Wow, that's really nice. Oh, she is gorgeous. Cocoa skin. She has the older, quiet body. I will be honest with you. I've been trying to figure out who she is. Her name from the Japan culture site. Help me out. Who is this? I put the reverse photo in, and it came up with a couple choices. I'm gonna put a silicone on here because I really have trouble with these. And yes, I did go to the site and learn how to put them on and all that, but, well, I can't get that right now. Let me see. Anyway, the seller sent me an offer, and I counter offered, and believe it or not, I got this doll. Oh yeah, she needs a silicone. I'm just going to show you her right now like this. Anyway, I got the bid, and the offer, and I got it fast. Boy, she is quite different than my other doll. And, well, Genia's in heels right now. Oh, she's lovely. It is so hard to tell the color of the Cocoa body online. And you look at one and they're really light, and you look at another and they're really dark. Oh, she is.
It's dark in here today, so.
Well, that's 2. GO2. Oh, gosh, she's so cute. Thank you, Darren, seriously. Oh, she is so pretty. So pretty. All right, let me put her wig on, get her in the stand, and then I've got some smart doll, I think, items to open. Okay, for those of you that are really good at the wigs and the stands and the poses, bear with me. I'm just learning, and I had a heck of a time getting that wig on. And yes, I do recognize that it is too far back. But it's on, and I needed to roll on with the video. We're getting ready to go for a bike ride. And I could have spent about a half hour on that hair for sure. I need to get better at those. I did add the silicone cap, and I am going to buy some more of those. I bought some wigs, and they came with them. But I have another smart doll coming, And I want to make sure hers stays on well. Oh, yes, I am thrilled. I love these tops. I bought it in white. I hope this is the same fabric. It appears the same, but only in black. Oh, yeah. It's not as thin as the, well, maybe it is. Let's open this up. Oh, I like this. I got the white shirt with the jeans, and I really like it. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. That's quite pretty. All right, let's see what else I did get. I got these items from AliExpress. Some of it fits and some of it doesn't. Oh, aren't these so cute? I did notice when I was looking for her green shoes for St. Patrick's that I have a pair of these, so that's good. I have more than one pair for my girls. Love those. Very cute. All right, let's see what this one is. I think this is the white shirt again, but I'm not positive. Let's take a look there, and I can't thank you enough for these Smart Dolls. I really, really like them. Oh, this is for my new Chubby Blythe. Actually, she's right here. Where? Let me grab her. I probably won't try. Oh, her hair's kind of messed up. We just put her together with that new face mold from AliExpress. All these silly things. Sometimes I just cut them because I cannot find the edges. I hate that because I'd like to reuse these, but sometimes... Oh, I got 2 of these. Okay. Well, that's interesting. Let's open one up. Maybe he got they got the, I don't know if it's male or female, got the order wrong, and that was supposed to be 2 and this was supposed to be 1. I will go look. It's kind of a Wednesday Addams French maid kind of looking outfit. What's this? Oh, I think that's some kind of little hat or something. Oh yeah, for the hair. I don't know, something. Not even sure. Anyway, I thought they were cute and I thought I'd try it. That will have to be tacked down, I'll bet you. They make these very quickly, but that'll be cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you for welcoming my new doll, whose name is probably going to be Callista, which means bright and intelligent. Leave me a comment about the wigs. Did you have trouble when you first started with the Smart Dolls, or is it just me? Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.